Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 12th, 2020, and we had a surprise down in the Hollow Garden where we put the new potato patch. When we added our compost to the potatoes, there were some cantaloupe seeds in there, and one of the plants did come up for us, and it came up on its own. We didn't do anything special with it. And we harvested this cantaloupe here off. Now there is another cantaloupe still down there growing on the vine, but this one here, we harvested it off, and we're going to be cutting it so we can have it to eat. It smells wonderful. It has a nice sweet cantaloupe fragrance to it. So we'll get this here cut. This was actually starting to split, so it had to come off the vine. So we're getting the stem cut off there, and cutting into this thing, seeing what it looks like inside. Oh, that's beautiful.
Keep some seeds.
Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells so sweet too. So we're going to be saving some of the seeds here from this. We're just taking them out and putting them in a little container here. Now we did fence the plant off so that the deer and the skunks wouldn't get it. Skunks love cantaloupes, so you want to make sure that you fence them off or something so that they can't get to them. So this is getting cut up here. It is so sweet. It tastes like candy. And the bad spot where it started to split out was cut out of it, but it is so sweet. It is delicious. And this wasn't sprayed with any chemicals or anything. This grew all by itself. I will take the camera down later and I'll use the vines and stuff. The camera was charging, so I couldn't do that at the time when we harvested this off. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!